Tesla's warning that a vehicle may not restart soon is not, in itself, a sentence of permanent failure. In the language of modern automotive diagnostics, it is a measured caution, the product of software governance, battery protection, and the delicate negotiation between safety and availability. A vehicle that appears switched off may, in fact, be in a controlled state of inhibition, prevented from reawakening until conditions are verified to be stable. At the center of this logic is the electric battery system, which functions not merely as a reservoir of energy, but as a monitored organism. If the management system detects abnormal voltage, thermal irregularity, sensor inconsistency, or an unresolved fault in the control network, it may refuse an immediate restart. This refusal is not arbitrary. It is a defensive response designed to prevent the vehicle from entering operation with a compromised subsystem. In effect, the car is not being obstinate. It is being conservative. The phrase "may not restart soon" therefore implies uncertainty in recovery time, not necessarily irrecoverability. In some cases, the issue may resolve after cooling, charging, a software reset, or a diagnostic update transmitted remotely. In other cases, the system may require physical inspection and component replacement. The uncertainty is shaped by the density of interdependent modules within the vehicle architecture. A minor fault can trigger a broad protective response if the system cannot distinguish it confidently from a more serious condition. From an engineering perspective, this is the consequence of prioritizing safety over convenience. Electric vehicles depend on precise coordination among battery cells, inverters, firmware, and networked controllers. When one link becomes ambiguous, the remaining logic often chooses restraint. Such restraint can feel frustrating to the owner, yet it reflects a rational design philosophy. A delayed restart is preferable to an unsafe one. The public interpretation of such warnings often exaggerates their meaning. A notification about delayed restart does not necessarily suggest catastrophic damage, nor does it imply that the vehicle is permanently disabled. Rather, it communicates that the system has entered a waiting state, pending diagnosis or stabilization. In this respect, the message is less a verdict than a procedural pause, one that preserves the integrity of the machine while technicians or algorithms determine the next action.